Hello, friends. How's everyone doing? Today, I'm back with another essential car security gadget for you. In this video, I'll walk you through a detailed installation process for this vital device. But before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more innovative tips and stay with SetNFix. Compact gadget is designed to close your car windows automatically. When you lock your car, it ensures the windows close, and it has a smart safety feature too. If anything obstructs the window while closing, the system will automatically stop. This unit is compatible with all 4 windows. Now, before we begin the installation, let's take a closer look at the wiring. This unit comes with a wiring harness, and as you can see, there are quite a few wires to connect. I'll go over them one by one. The white wire connects to the car's accessory wire, which you'll find activated when the key is turned to the first position, as shown in the wiring diagram. Next, we have the black wire, commonly connected to the ground. Then, there's the red wire, which is fused with a 20-ampere fuse for safety. This wire connects directly to the car's battery. In the event of a short circuit, this fuse will cut the power supply to prevent any damage. Moving on, we have 2 wires related to the car's lock mechanism. If your car lock has a negative trigger, connect the green/black wire. For a positive trigger, use the green wire to connect with the car lock wire. These connections are critical for the proper functioning of the window closing unit. Alright, now you'll notice 8 additional wires. These wires are for connecting to each of the 4 windows. By checking the circuit diagram, you can see where each wire goes. You'll need to cut the window roll-up wires to connect this unit properly. The solid-colored wire should go to the motor side, while the double-colored wire goes to the switch side. Following the correct order, as shown in the diagram, is essential to ensure that the windows close sequentially as intended. Now, let's take a quick look inside the unit. You can open it up like this. With the cover off, you'll see the circuit board with just a few components. Notice this tiny relay. This is the first time I've come across such a compact relay. For comparison, here's a standard relay. Despite its size, this small relay can handle up to 40 amperes and 14 volts, making it quite powerful. The best way to understand its full functionality is to see it in action. So, let's move on to the installation. In this installation, I use specific connectors for easy setup and consistency. Since I've already installed a DIY window closer unit, I reuse the same connectors for this unit as well. My car only has 2 power shutters, so I'm only connecting 2. For the power, I'm using connectors for the battery and accessory wires, as shown clearly in the wiring diagram. Additionally, I designed a small circuit to prevent the windows from automatically closing when I lock the car from the inside. This is because the car's door lock signal can be triggered even when locked by a security key or the interior door lock. However, if your car has a siren, you can simply connect the sensor wire to it for extra security. Now, I'm going to install the unit. But before doing any work on your car, make sure to disconnect the battery for safety. Thanks to the connectors I've used, connecting this unit to my car was quick and easy. One big advantage of using these connectors is that if you ever want to remove the unit, you can simply disconnect it and restore the wiring to its default setup. For grounding, I decided to attach the ground wire directly to the car door. I secured it with a bolt connected to the car's power window mount. Now that everything is properly fitted and secured, it's time to test the circuit. Before we begin, make sure the car key is off and all doors are closed. When I lock the door using the car's security key, you'll notice that the shutters automatically start to close. This feature has been very helpful for me, especially since I often forget to close the windows. This installation has been a success. And that's it. With this setup, we've successfully installed a reliable, automatic window closer unit for the car. If you enjoyed this video or found it useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more innovative solutions. Be innovative, stay with SetNFix. See you in the next one.